All right, so now we have it here. There's glare. Sorry about the glare. You don't see that as bad in person. It just shows up here. So up and down. We're going to go OB2, press enter. Now it's going to read it. Hello, my friends, and welcome back. We are reviewing FOXWELL's NT201. This is the CAN OBD2 and also OBD code reader. One-click update, easy hotkeys, and it can read your vehicle VIN, as well as reset check engine lights and codes and a whole bunch of different things. So let's go ahead and show you guys what it looks like up close. So it's a really nice orange, simple, designed right there. Warning labels, I am readiness, one button press. You have enter, escape, up and down. This just plugs into your OB port. We're gonna go ahead and show you guys how that works. See you guys in a bit. All right, guys, locate your OB port. For us, it's right under the around your driver's knee. Take your plug and plug it directly inside there. And now you're good to go. It's gonna load up. You don't have to have your vehicle running unless you're doing live readings. But you do want to have your key on the ignition on the on position. So like this. Put your key in, put it to the on position. You don't have to turn it on, just to the on position. All right, so now we have it here. There's glare. Sorry about the glare. You don't see that as bad in person. It just shows up here. So up and down. We're going to go OB2, press enter. Now it's going to read it. So it'll go over and see if it found anything negative or bad. Press enter, press yes to erase data, and now you can read codes if there's any codes. So we have none stored. It can do pending codes that could be an issue. So this is great if you have a check engine light, or even if you don't. So if you don't have a check engine light, this can actually tell you if any codes are going to come up or anything for inspection. And then you can erase codes as well, right there. To do live data, you want to have your vehicle running. You can do I am readiness, and that just tells you if it's ready for inspection and different stuff. So we go over everything and it says okay, 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 which means it's good. NA means not available, but everything else is good. Nothing says bad. So we can go back. You can do O2 monitor test, onboard monitor test, component test, which if you click that, let's see what that brings up. Vehicle information, modular percent, and unit of measure. So yeah, we're Xing out of that. And then you can do DTC lookup, so you can look up different codes. You can review different stuff that you've already scanned and so forth. So about and setup, you can do language and all kinds of different stuff. Overall, very nice, simple tool to read your codes, check some information, and clear your codes.